Shandong, Huaxin Electric Furnace Company, Limited, founded in 2008 in Weifang City, Shandong Province, occupies 60,000 square meters and employs over 300 professionals. As a nationally certified high-tech enterprise, Huaxin is a recognized leader in advanced equipment manufacturing. Huaxin operates 5 core business divisions: induction melting furnace, induction heating furnace, vacuum furnace, water cooling equipment, and industrial intelligence, providing integrated smart manufacturing solutions to industrial clients worldwide. Backed by a 45-engineer R&D team, Huaxin holds over 300 patents, including more than 20 invention patents. Our provincial-level technology center and laboratories have led numerous key research programs, driving continuous innovation. Huaxin features a robust production system with an annual output exceeding 2,000 units. Equipped with laser cutting platforms, robotic welding stations, and over 100 sets of advanced machinery, we pioneered the industry's first fully integrated production chain. Quality and service are the cornerstones of Huaxin. We enforce rigorous quality control at every stage of production. Certified to international standards, we offer 24/7 customer support to ensure a seamless, reliable experience for our clients. Leading the way in intelligent manufacturing, delivering excellence. Huaxin Industrial, where wisdom and innovation shape every detail. Growing with our customers, advancing with the industry.